our feature presentation.
Cool. The auto tour pamphlet for the Humboldt County Redwoods Avenue of the Giants. I pulled out at the information sign real quick here, whipped out the GoPro, and we're gonna see if we can't maybe fit it on this brush guard at all or something. Making a quick pit stop to the visitor center. Some cool trees and stuff around us, so ought to be interesting.
Look at that.
Ooh, banana slugs. It's a nice little visitor center. Look at the sign. Oh my god, the weather rock. Sure, let's check it out. That's so funny. I got a coupon for you. I'm like, oh, you're a gem. She goes, bah, I just can't let a good coupon go to waste.
Just a campground.
Is it really? Let's look at this one giant stump at least. Look at this thing, Alex. It's like this one fell and all these other ones got to take its place. It's crazy. I turned around real quick because I saw this tree. You might not be able to drive through a tree today, but we can walk through one today. She's funny. That's really cool. Selfie it. Don't trip. Oh, sweet. Pops you up. Two giant bandsaws. Let's see if we can read it. They're sharpened every 4 hours. That's crazy. Alex got a press penny. Focus. Flip it over now. The best part is it was free. Nice little gift shop they got going here. Little seating area, restroom if you need it. Cute statues, photo op. Across the street is the Eternal Treehouse, which Alex is excited for, so we're gonna go for it. close, but we're hungry. Very funny. Oh, is that it over there? Looks like it. So what's special about this treehouse, Alex?
It's inside of a living tree.
How big is it? Are we sure it's living? Oh, there's a branch growing out of it, it looks like. With people or just stuff? I suspect maybe not living. Oh, wow.
It's living.
I wonder if it's living as well, but maybe it once was.
It's cool in here.
This little sign. I mean, I could see. Oh, how this would be a nice living area. I thought it was the Eternal Treehouse. I guess it's just Eternal Treehouse. My bad. There's the giant native carving. He looks pissed off. Or he's like staring into the sun. I can't tell. Ready to roll? You hungry? I guess we're walking to the cafe next door too. That is the junction. Another neat carving. He looks a little less angry. Another pit stop. Alex got a drink, and we found gas that was super cheap in California. $4.50 a gallon is not bad. One last stop at the beach while we're here, because we can and we like it. This is a different part of the beach than we were at last time. You got the truck back there. Ocean behind us here. So cool. Alright, I gotta do it. I'll be so upset if I don't go in the water now. I can untie my shoes first. That would help. Man, I suck at untying shoes. You got it. Oh, you do got it with you. Make sure my shoes don't get swept away. Oh, that is not warm. I don't think there'll be too big of waves I have to worry about. Oh yeah, that's a nice ocean. We'll go a little further. Get closer. Okay. Alright. That is not warm still. Hopefully it doesn't get too much deeper. Woo! I doubt we'll be seeing any seals or, sea lions today. Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on those notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye. Dry rock, dusty rock, white rock. That's not what I think of. Look at it up close. I think there's a rock stuck in it.
Just one?
You see it in there?
I'm saying just one rock.
Ooh, pretend like you're cranking the handle. You're ruining the ambiance. She's a thirsty girl.
Got my pantalones on. My pantalones.
I recommend the stop.